Welcome! The purpose of this tutorial is to explain what the Analysis Ready report is and its basic parts. The Analysis Ready report, also known as the wide file format, transforms the Basic Services Detail report into a version with one row per student. Please note, this report is only available to premium subscribers. The Analysis Ready report is a comma-separated values, or CSV file, that transforms the detail report into an analysis-ready format. By displaying one row per student versus multiple rows per student, the analysis-ready report makes it much easier to analyze the data and identify trends. It's important to understand that the analysis-ready report will only be returned for subsequent enrollment, or SE, denied or declined admission, or DA, and longitudinal cohort, or CO, queries submitted by premium subscribers. It is limited to these queries because they are forward-looking, and this report is designed for longitudinal research purposes. The Analysis Ready report has 216 columns of data that can be categorized into 4 general sections: student information, persistence and retention flags, up to 8 academic years worth of enrollment, outcomes, and, where applicable and available, industry credentials information, and cumulative enrollment and outcomes information. Student information consists of student information and search date as provided for each student in your StudentTracker request file. Persistence and retention flags identify whether the student has at least one enrollment or degree record in academic year 2. These flags are calculated only when a student has reported enrollment in academic year 1. Persistence will indicate a Y value when the student has an academic record in year 2 at a different institution based on OPE code. Retention will indicate a Y when the student has an academic record in year 2 at the same institution. Enrollment and outcome information is available for up to 8 academic years from the search date provided for each student in the request file. For each academic year, we will report whether the student has an enrollment and/or credential data from the requesting school, a different 2-year school, or a different 4-year school. We will also report whether the student has any industry credentials when available and applicable. For more detailed information, please consult the user guide or the data dictionary. Cumulative enrollment and outcome information are provided from search date to present. This section provides the following information: time elapsed from search date to start date at a different 2- or 4-year institution, time elapsed from search date to the award dates of the highest credentials at the requesting school, a different 2-year school, and a different 4-year school, total number of industry credentials earned between search date and present, and pattern of first enrollments to give insights on student mobility. To find out more about StudentTracker for Colleges and Universities Premium service, or any of our StudentTracker services, please visit us online.